If you're new to my channel, my name is Austin Zaback, and I'm about to do a wholesale deal breakdown step by step, okay? I'm gonna show you how we acquired the deal. I'm gonna introduce you to the person on my team who actually acquired the deal. I'm also going to introduce you to the person on my team who sold the deal. I'm gonna show you how much money we made. We're gonna show you the pictures of the property and everything, so make sure you stay to the very end. And if you haven't already, do me a huge favor and smash that like button, subscribe if you have not already, and drop a comment down below if you would like to see more of this style video. We're gonna go talk to the person who acquired Brown, okay? Let's go see if we can figure out how they acquired this. All right, Kia, are you down to be on camera?
Yes, sir.
Okay, incredible. Because I wasn't gonna warn you. No, not this time. Nope. I want to know about Brown, the deal you did on Brown.
Yeah.
I'm doing a deal breakdown. So how did you get that deal?
I did an MLS search.
MLS search. Incredible. Okay, so you're a real estate agent. Backing up a little bit. You're on our holy cow, that is a big monitor, Clayton. You just brought it. You're playing. I just realized this monitor is ridiculous. Okay, so you're an agent, and every day you're just going through the MLS, and you're looking for deals.
Yeah, I'm looking for anything that's a little distressed. It's been sitting on the market for a couple days, a lot more than a couple days, like 30 plus days. Something that would be a good flip.
Good flip opportunity. Incredible. And so you got it initially at 305,
Yes,
and then you had to do a price reduction.
we did, and they wanted to get us at 295, and I was able to negotiate a little lower to 292.
292.5, right?
Yes.
Okay, so 292.5. Why did we get a price reduction? We couldn't sell it at 305?
No, and it needed a little bit of work. The photos online were kind of grungy. It was not looking too good.
Yeah. I think the ARV on that was what, like 400 maybe?
Yeah, it was 390.
390 ARV, okay. What was the thing that you were looking for that day? You were just like looking through the entire MLS?
Yeah, I kind of have this technique where I do like 30 to 40 days, and after I go through all of those, I go 40 to 50 days, and I just like found that one and seemed to do well with the team and put an offer in, and the agent was really receptive. He actually was the owner as well, so worked out really great.
It's listed again right now.
It is.
Yeah. 349.9.
And it's really funny because I saw it relisted and I showed the team and it was brand new photos, looked really great. And then I looked yesterday and it's back to the old photos.
They didn't even do anything to it.
No, not one change, still the same like cheap curtains.
They're trying to wholesale it.
Yeah,
Yeah. Wholesale, you know what wholesale is?
just no work.
Yeah, wholesale is when they buy it and then they don't do anything to it. They maybe like paint carpet and then they just put it right back on the market.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I love it. Any final thoughts?
No?
Get fired up?
I'm so fired up, yeah.
Okay, there you have it. I'm going to go ahead. We're going to dive in. I'm going to show you the pictures. We're going to comp the deal together. And I'm going to really just break everything down for you. Again, this is our second deal breakdown, okay? Number 2. Deal breakdown, and I'm trying to keep them like really raw, really authentic, right? So Kia didn't know we were gonna go talk to her. Kia's an agent on our team, and we give every agent on our team, we have like 45 real estate agents on our team now, just on the retail side, okay? Another 20 people on the wholesale side, if not more, like 25 probably. We're at 75 total people right now, right? But we give everybody on our retail team the opportunity to acquire deals on the MLS and represent our company, and then we'll wholesale it, right? So it's just an opportunity that every agent gets when they're on our team, where we call it like client on day one, right? Where you can have a client on day one. And we do a lot of deals like that, okay? So really, really cool. So let's go ahead and dive into it here, okay? So this is a 4-bed, 2-bath home, 1,385 square feet, as we can tell here. It's actually active back on the market right now. So they're doing, and I was talking to Kia a little bit about it, and I just found this out 5 minutes before making the video, right? I mean, obviously, I'm just looking through all of the deals that we do. We do anywhere from 30 to 50 wholesale deals a month. I'm like, hey, what deal do we want to do a deal breakdown on, right? The last deal breakdown we did, I think we did Escobar or Clarendon. I think we did Escobar. We made like 18 grand on that. This one we grossed just under 10 grand, okay? Which I'll show you here in just a minute, so make sure you stay tuned, all right? But anyway, so let's dive into it here, okay? So it's listed again on the market. They're doing a wholesale. They haven't done any work. 4-bed, 2-bath, 1,385 square feet. Let's just go ahead and go to Monsoon really quick, and I'm going to show you. So I comped it. I think it's worth like 400 ARV. You've got a couple like right here, okay? You've got one that's 1338 that sold for 440, but it did sell for 440. Here, let me just put this on Do Not Disturb here really quick. Do not disturb for 1 hour. Okay, so don't disturb me. 1338 sold for 440. I can pull this one up and look at it. It did sell though in May of 2022, which is when like the ultimate peak of the market. Okay, so I don't know. I think whoever bought that overpaid for it. I don't think it's worth that much. This one's bigger, full remodel. They also bought it in May, okay, peak of the market, and it has a 2-car garage with a pool, okay? And it's 1,700 square feet. Ours is 1,300. This really is not a comp, but it's cool to see that we have, something that sold for 485 in the area, right? It's cool to see that, I think. We have a 388 that's probably dated, right? We've got, there was a 399 right here. This actually might not be a terrible one. November of 2022, okay? It does have a pool. It's in good condition, but, nothing to brag about here, as you can tell, right? So, again, I ballpark, right? I'm just looking at very quickly. You have to get good at comping a deal, okay? When you're a wholesaler, you don't have a lot of time to spend on a deal. So very quickly, I'm just going to give it a 400 ARV, okay? Assuming we balled out, right? 400 ARV. Kia was saying 390, somewhere in that ballpark, okay? If I wanted to spend, half an hour really looking at it like an appraiser, I'm going to be like $5,000 off, right? So really important to kind of understand that. And we acquired it, like Key was saying, we acquired it for $292.5. We split our profit with another wholesaler, and then we made a commission on the deal, okay? So I'm going to go ahead. I'll show you the HUD. I'll show you everything on the screen if I haven't already. But look, I hope that you get value from me doing that, okay? And we'll talk to, like I said, we already talked to the ACT person. We'll talk to the dispo person. And, man, get out there and make it happen. Now, this is super candid, okay? So I'm going to break everything down here in a minute. We're going to talk to Brendan here. Brendan also has no idea. Kia had no idea that I was going to come talk to her. Brendan has no idea I'm going to come talk to him. The only reason he's sitting out here is because Angela's in his office right now. So, Brendan, Brown. You technically sold Brown, but you and Murphy sold Brown. Yeah. I'm going to interview you, Brendan. I'll get Murphy here in a little while. So, who did we sell it
to? We sold that to another wholesaler, actually.
Okay, so we co-wholesaled it to another wholesaler. Do you know, was it like a big day? We were just, so Kia acted it, right? Yep. We sold it to another wholesaler. Do you know if they brought the buyer direct?
They did. They brought the end buyer.
They brought the end buyer, okay. Walk me through the deal.
Yeah, so deal came in. It was a deal that we found on the MLS. Underwrote it. Offer went out, contracted the property. We actually contracted it a bit high. I believe we went in for a pretty big price drop on that one to go ahead and make it work. Did end up making it work for the seller, ended up closing that one on out. And that was pretty much the story on that one.
Really simple deal on that one.
Yeah, there were some hurdles. I mean, definitely going in for a price reduction and retrading can be stressful for all parties, but it ended up working out. We made it a win-win and closed the deal up.
Yeah, I think we ended up grossing just under 10 on that one.
Yeah, just about 10,000.
Yeah, just under 10. Yeah. So not the world's biggest deal, but like, what do you have to say about like these like little $10,000 deals?
Yeah, you just got to get one of those a day. Get one deal a day.
One of them a day is like, I mean, if you did it every working day of the month, you could make $200,000 a month.
Yeah, you'll make 200 G's a month, 100%. Right. If you're getting.
And our goal is to do 3 of those a day.
Yeah, we're doing 3 deals a day.
Right.
Yeah.
You've got to love it. There you have it. Okay, I'm going to show you the pictures really quick. So let's go ahead and jump into the pictures here. Okay, here, let's get rid of this. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the pictures. I'm going to show you the pictures. So here we can tell from the front of the house, it's actually totally livable. Okay, pretty nice house. Okay, we got popcorn ceilings. Okay, and you gotta love that. You've gotta love that old fan. You know, nice little bathroom here. Really not a bad property, okay? Again, popcorn, all that good stuff. No pool, okay? No pool. And that's really about the extent of it, okay? So, okay, so now you see the pictures. It's totally livable. I think we got a good deal on this one, $292.5. We wholesaled it. The end buyer's going to make some money on the deal. We made some money on the deal. Everybody will be happy. It looks like they're trying to wholesale it. They'll probably make 20 or 30 grand without doing anything. And they could probably go and actually put some work into it and, sell it for $399.9, but it doesn't look like that's what they wanted to do here, which is no big deal. So there you have it. Really appreciate you tuning into the video. Again, this is our second deal breakdown that we've ever done. Would love to do them more often. I was talking to somebody the other day on my team, and I was like, man, we should have a whole month where we have to break down every single deal that we do, okay? In the month of March, we did either 45 or 46 deals. I'll have to go look. I believe it was like 45 deals, okay, in the month of March. So let me know in the comment section down below if you think that I was thinking about like making it a challenge or something, like making it some big deal. But let me know, these are, the goal with the videos is to make them highly authentic, highly organic, highly relatable. I just want to give you the real, the raw, the nitty gritty, right? And I want to, interview the people on my team who got the deal, who sold the deal. I like kind of doing it without even telling them. Kia was saying that, good thing I caught her at the right time because she was about to leave, right? So, it's about lunchtime, okay? Today's Tuesday. So, there's a lot of people not in the office. Like, I just want to give it to you real and raw. And let me know what you think, okay? I greatly appreciate you watching. It means the absolute world to me. Smash the like button if you haven't already, okay? Subscribe if you have not already. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.